Okay, this was a painful fix, but it's taken care of. So what we're gonna have to do is uninstall Postgres, okay, and reinstall it because we had that error earlier with the locale strings or whatever it is that we had to do that little depackage locale, whatever it is that we did, and we went into that blue screen and we changed to English UTF-8. So because we hadn't done that before we installed Postgres, we got all those errors. So this is what we need to do. We need to, let me get my stickies out, run this command, which essentially will remove Postgres completely, okay? And then we are just going to reinstall it. So I'm going to put this in the description of the video. So we're just going to hit that, bam, and sudo apt-get purge remove, and then this is just the remove command up here, and then everything else that follows is all the dependencies and the packages that we installed for Postgres. So it's asking us to confirm. We're going to hit yes. Okay. Then we will, once this is completed, we will reinstall Postgres by first we want to do sudo apt-get update. Shouldn't be anything to update. It's just doing the checks. Everything's fine. And then we're going to do the same command that we did earlier, which is sudo apt-get install postgresql and then postgresql-contrib. Okay, and I will also post this in the description of the video. So do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, so after the installation is complete, Postgres will have created a new user called Postgres. So we want to type in sudo -i-u Postgres. All right, now we are logged in as a Postgres user, and we want to type in PSQL, and lo and behold, here we are. So this is our Postgres database. This is the console. Okay, if we want to quit, you would just do \q, and we're out of the console. Okay, so hopefully that cleared up any issues with Postgres. And now we are going to set it up so that it's always running in the background. And if your server restarts for whatever reason, Postgres will also restart, and you are not going to have to be logged in as Postgres. So the way that we do that is by typing in create user. Okay, and then you're going to do interactive and enter name for a role to add. You want this to be your username that you created. So this one that's up here. Okay. Shall the new role be a super user? Heck yes. All right, and that's pretty much it. So now every time the computer starts up or the server, if it shuts off for whatever reason, we want to run this command, which just tells it to start up Postgres anytime we, actually we should probably run that from our regular user account. So we're going to type in exit to return to this and type in systemctl enable postgresql. Okay, so we had a bit of an error there. Postgres is a nightmare on Ubuntu, I guess. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to create the database Yoan. So we're going to do sudo -u postgres create db Yoan. Let's see what happens. And now, there we go. So now we are in the Yoan DB. Cool. So it looks like we're all set up. After this, we're going to install Rails, and then we're going to try to get a Rails server up and running. So see you in the next video.